Are you tired of fumbling for a remote to adjust your ceiling fan or light? Do you wish you could control everything with just your voice? Well, say hello to the future of home comfort, the Jazava 60-inch smart ceiling fan with light.
Smart features.
This modern marvel is packed with features that make your life easier. Control it with the included remote control, the Smart Tuya app on your smartphone compatible with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, or even your voice using Alexa or Google Assistant.
Powerful and quiet performance.
The powerful DC motor and 5 ABS blades provide smooth, quiet operation with adjustable wind speeds for year-round comfort. Whether you need a cool breeze in the summer or a gentle circulation in the winter, this fan has you covered. Plus, it comes with customizable timing settings to turn off automatically after 1, 2, or 4 hours.
Beautiful and functional lighting.
The built-in LED light kit offers more than just illumination. It's dimmable, allowing you to adjust the brightness from 10% to 100%, and offers a range of color temperatures from warm 3000,000 to a bright 5000,000 to perfectly suit your mood and activity.
Easy installation.
This fan is designed for easy installation, with clear instructions and a video guide included. It's perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, offices, and even covered patios. Choose your preferred downward length from the included 5 or 10 options to achieve the perfect height for your space.
About Jazava.
At Jazava, we believe in creating beautiful and innovative lighting solutions that enhance your home. Our products are more than just lights, they tell stories and create a warm and inviting atmosphere.
Upgrade your home with the ultimate in convenience and style. Get the Jazava 60-inch smart ceiling fan with light today. Click the link in the description below to find it on Amazon.